in the mail. Free products I got from this app. Neutrogena box by Influencer. Do reviews. This app is very helpful if you're looking for a new product that you want to go buy but you're unsure if it is worth your money. Check other people's reviews are and see if they like it or not. So yeah, this is the Influencer box that I got from Neutrogena. And the last thing that I received from Influencer is cool is that they took the time to write your name on this body wash. Brand and fragrance. Wait to try this and see how it smells because I do like citrusy kind of like fresh scents. I just checked the mail and it's a little bit late right now. It's 10:50 right now because I was very excited to receive this in the mail by Influencer. When I was younger, this was my favorite brand. I love their facial cleanser. One smelled like papaya and they had so many different ones. This app is called Influencer. If you don't know what Influencer is, it's an app that you could download. You sign up your email and there's like a bunch of questions that they ask you so they know who to pick to send you products. This is a clay cleanser and a mask in one. This would be cool to try. This comes with a 1-pack just to try it out. I'm going to try this out and see how it goes. So just keep on watching and you'll see me test this out and give you my final thoughts for the review, first impression, if I liked this because I am wearing a full face of makeup right now. So I thought it would be like a perfect video to make full face of makeup versus the cleanser that I'll be using to clean my face if it does do the job. Let's open this up and see what we have. So when we open this up, there's this a little card that shows Neutrogena's new products. Their new product, the Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying Clay Cleanser / Mask. It targets 100% of impurities, 119 grams. This would last me a long time. Quickly read you the back. The oil-free, the purifying clay formula is specially designed to target all skin impurities. It draws out trapped dirt, oil, and makeup while it helps preserve skin's essential moisture. In one formula can be used 2 ways, as a daily cleanser or as a mask. I've never heard of anything like this before that you could use as a cleanser or a mask, so that's interesting. This should be cool to try out. Directions to use this kind of 2-in-1 cleanser / mask. You use this most at 2 to 3 times a week. With a Hydro Boost, their new mask that is perfect for dry skin, which is what I have, normal to dry skin. Deeply hydrates, leaves your skin supple and hydrated. I hope this works because I do have normal to dry skin type. I usually get dry like around my eyes, sometimes around my nose and down here. Seems to be gentle on skin. That's good because I do have sensitive skin. It's innovative hydro mask with dry skin, leaving it hydrated, smooth and supple. So I'll be right back and try this mask and see if I have any allergic reaction with this product. I was shocked at how this performed. It cleared up all of my makeup. It felt really cooling. For my foundation, my concealer, my eyebrows, and I'm just up close to look. This is what my skin looks like. Tingling sensation on my skin. It removed everything. It removed everything.
This is me, I'm so royal, and you all wanna be round. Yeah, you all wanna be round. Round a champion, a champion.